welcome to another episode of German for Beginners in 5 minutes. So in this episode, it will be all about nouns and especially about the genus, so the gender of the noun. So in German, there are 3 genders for nouns: masculine, feminine, and neutral. And we start with the masculine. So the masculine noun, das maskuline Nomen, masculine noun, maskuline Nomen, it is accompanied by the article der. So der Artikel der. So, and an example would be the doctor. In German it's der Arzt. So male professions are usually masculine and then accompanied with the article der. So we have der Arzt, the doctor, the mechatronics engineer, der Mechatroniker, or the student, der Student. Also the months, all 12 months are masculine. So it's January, der Januar, February, der Februar, March, der März, April, der April, May, der Mai, Juni, June, der Juni, July, der Juli, der August, the August, the September, der September, October, der Oktober, November, der November, Dezember, der Dezember, the December. Also all the weekdays are masculine. So it's Monday, der Montag, Tuesday, der Dienstag, Wednesday, der Mittwoch, Donnerstag, der Donnerstag, Thursday, Friday, der Freitag, Saturday, der Samstag, and Sunday, der Sonntag. Another example for masculine nouns are the seasons. So it's der Winter for winter, Spring is der Frühling, Sommer der Sommer, und Herbst, Autumn, der Herbst. Neutral nouns are made of infinitives, so all the nouns that originate from a verb, like for example the verb lernen, to learn. I learn, for example, I learn German. Ich lerne Deutsch, and the noun is das Lernen, the learning. Or I read a book, the reading, das Lesen, das Schreiben, das Essen. Also all the belittlement forms are neutral. Das Mädchen, the girl, das Würstchen, sausages, das Schwesterchen, so that's the belittlement form of Schwester, sister. So, and now the feminine nouns. So also we have here the professions, also die Berufe wie die Ärztin, so the female version of the doctor, the mechatronics engineer, the female one, die Mechanikerin, and also die Studentin for the student, the female student. All the nouns with the following endings are female. So alle Nomen mit den folgenden Endungen sind feminin. Schaft wie Freundschaft, Friendship. Uhr Kultur, culture. Wie die Meinung, opinion. Keit wie die Möglichkeit, possibility. Ion wie die Organisation, organization. Und Ei wie die Bäckerei, the bakery shop. So, and here is a little exercise. Let's see what you learned. You can pause the video and write down on a little piece of paper with a pen or just in your head. You can write down the articles of the following words. Freundschaft, Herbst, Mädchen, Meinung, Januar, lesen. And here's the solution. Die Freundschaft, feminin. Der Herbst, male, masculine. Das Mädchen, neutral. Die Meinung, feminin. Der Januar, masculine. Das Lesen, neutral. So that was one episode, and in the next episode I will talk about nouns again, and this time about the plural.